Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on BMW 3 Series, generation 2005 to 2013. And we'll show you how to remove or replace side view mirror. Okay, this mirror right here will show you how to remove it. Also guys, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, so if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below, subscribe, and we'll try to make that video for you. So let's go ahead, start on it now and show you how to remove that mirror. We have to remove the door panel first, because we'll need to remove that plastic so we can get to the mirror wire and the mirror bolt. So let's start on it. So now we need a plastic panel removal too. There is a few clips holding that trim piece. Okay, we just need to start prying them out. Be careful not to break anything. Take your time. It slides towards the back. You can see the last clip is like that. Now, you have to make sure that there is no clips left on those guides here, because those clips sometimes will come out and you need to make sure that they're situated here so you can install it later. After that, we need to remove a few screws, and those will be with Torx. Before we remove the screws, we need to remove this cover as well. This cover holds only on a few clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that you have. And we have a few hidden bolts there as well. We're going to need a Torx. Okay, let me get it quick to show you. Torx 20. Okay, this start looking a bit like that. Okay, one is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we have, this is the third one that we're removing. Fourth will be right there. Also guys, please subscribe. Quite a few videos will be uploaded on this car, and again, if you need anything, just drop a comment. We'll try to make that video for you. It might take a little bit of time, but we'll do our best. Okay, this one got a little bit stuck. Perfect. Now we need to get a panel removal tool. Okay, a little bit fatter one. And we need to start popping the clips open. Okay, usually on one side you might have a little bit more of a gap so you can reach easier. The panel will come this way. Okay, it will come out this way. Do not lift it up, because you have like 5-6 clips probably up there. Okay, so we start doing that. Now, here we have to pull this way. Okay, still holding a little bit. Okay, perfect, came out. You have to make sure that the lock rod is there later. And now we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and all the cables. So now we need to disconnect the door cable. That's the one for the interior door handle. You just pry on this side up a little bit and it will come out. That clip needs to come loose. After that, we need to disconnect the wires for the speakers. Pull those out. And lastly, we have to disconnect the window switch wire. Okay, there is one tooth right here that we need to pry just a little bit, okay? The easiest way is actually to pull it out. Okay, let me get the tooth in. Okay, now we can pull it out. You just need to get the tooth out. And we have one more wire for the door light underneath. Okay, and the panel is out of the way. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So let's flip it on this side now. You have 1, 2, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here. And on top you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. All those clips will need to be, okay, those clips, the plastic ones, will need to be installed on the door panel in order to install it later. Otherwise it will not work. So those are replaceable as well. If yours are broken, you can replace them. So now we need to flip that cover a little bit this way to get it out of this canal. Okay, and we can pull it gently out. Okay, like that. Now we can get to the mirror now, right here. And there is, that's the wire for the mirror switch. Okay, there is two things that you press towards each other and then you pull it out. Now we need to get a Torx. In our case, most likely it's a Torx 20 that we need to remove 3 bolts. It's actually Torx 30, my bad. It's Torx 30. Start looking bit. Okay, let me show you the bit quick. Okay, this one right here. So let's go ahead. Start getting those loose. On the last one person have to hold the mirror on the outside. Because if you don't, it's going to drop and you'll break your side mirror. Okay, this is the last one. Now, I just grab it on the outside, gently, pull it out. Okay, and you can see this is the mirror. So, that's how you guys remove it. Installation, everything else is in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.